Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. So welcome back to my channel. Your girl is back again, as you all can see on the title, like on the thumbnails. Yes, today is Christmas cleaning with me. Yo. Did you guys just see that? This is basically what happened after Christmas. Yes, the house is a mess and I have a lot to do, like always. If you are mommy, you know what I'm talking about. What are you doing here with your so guys, today is the cleaning day. Yes, I have a lot to clean. Don't worry, I will show you guys the whole living room. It's a mess. You know what? It's a mess, okay? This is basically what we are gonna be doing today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you know you do, you know you're a mom, you also do this. Like, if you comment, tell me if you also have a cleaning day, like if you also do a bunch of laundry like this at your home. Let me know on the comment section. Be so glad to read your message. And Merry Christmas to you all and Happy New Year. Okay, so without wasting too much of your time, let's get started. By the way, I'm gonna put music for the rest of the video because I just want to go busy, bring this house back to life again because it's looking dead. Yes, so let's do it.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Fueled by them to see the horizon. reason. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
So yeah guys, that's it, and I'm gonna end the vlog here, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my cleaning day. And yeah, busy cleaning day. Now I'm tired, maybe getting sleeping. I hope I can take like 30 minutes of rest to just relax a little bit. So thank you guys so much for watching, and catch you guys on my next